Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share details about the campaign on the Maxi, where you can easily get $1 million as prize pool waiting for you, and there is also the event time down. 24 days later it will be, and before that you can also participate. If you are watching this video is for educational purpose only. If you are new on the channel and active booster, you can subscribe my channel too. Here, Lombard with Maxi. The campaign is now going on, where you can create account on the Maxi to participate, and here you can even check out that they are also going to offering you zero fee trading with Bird and LBTC. Enjoy zero fee with Bird and LBTC on the spot and future during the event. So there you can also check about the bird token, and there is spin fast with the staking option. With bird you can also grab it with 400% APR will be given. And not only this, you can also deposit trade, and there is also $40,000 as for the new user exclusive. You can even check out there is also spot trading with Boost, and there is share to $10,000 reward. So qualification, you can also check that you need to start trading volume for this campaign. Basically, there are different tasks you have to complete to participate into this, and you can also refer your friends too. If you want to get further information, you can read the article on the Maxi. That is also about the bird as extravaganza, where $1 million reward is also here after getting a complete information. There, like here on the interface of Maxi article, where you can also get the further information how event is working with zero fee trading and bird and LBTC. You can hold and get the eligible tokens, where you can also grab the trade on the Maxi. Here you can also stake 400% APR. There is also the number of individual as minimum stake amount. So some rules and regulation have been given. You can also check that. Bird extravaganza, there is everything. You can easily check on the Maxi about bird with USDT, and there is also the recently price, as there is also 1.5 as 24-hour highest, and there is also trading volume $7.31 million and $9.75 million within last 24 hour. And here you can even check out the chart analysis. If you want to buy or sell, you can come to this interface, where you can buy and you can also go market, and next you can also buy or sell amount is here. You can also easily join this platform. So here you can easily buy or sell on the Maxi, and next you can also get some other information. You can easily check that. Here is also the information about the Lombard official website, where you can get how it's time for Bitcoin to build, move, and grow. So this is also about $1 billion fastest yield. Here is TVL as billion of dollar, and you can also check what is the statistics on the Lombard, where Lombard is here with DeFi, and their features is to giving growth for Bitcoin. Bitcoin staking, there is LBTC, you can get the native yield, and here is trusted by Bitcoin holders too, and on the Bybit they are also working. So here you can also check some other informations about the Lombard. You can also get touch with them. You can also follow them on the social media links too. Not only this, if you want to come on the Maxi, there is the interface where you can sign up through your Google ID, and there is also your password. If you have a referral code, you can also put that here, and after the terms and condition you can sign up to on Maxi, so you can also start your trading experience on the campaign, where you can easily join. Here is a complete information about it. Not only this, you can come to the official page of Maxi, where you can also grab the all details, like there is extremely low fees near to zero, and every day there is a lot of reward about Maxi. You can download the application. You can also get here is also number one in the industry too. And not only this, if you want to know further information about the Maxi, that here what are the options, you can also check market information about on the Maxi. And not only this, you can also check the new startups, new event that is going on with the airdrop APR 1000%, and there is also their token official. You can also grab MX token, that is native token, and you can also download the application, you are also going to participate on the Maxi as I have told you about it. And you can also get the Lombard official Telegram too and Twitter too, where you are going to get inside details. So be ready. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. Till then, take care and goodbye.